Hi there, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can get AI to sell itself. Let's dive in. Okay, so everyone's on the AI bandwagon at the moment if you're in marketing, and I guess we're no different to that. I'm not going to beat around the bush, but we've got a little bit of data and an interesting story to share with you about how we've figured out how to get AI to sell itself. Okay, so a little bit of a backstory. Some of you might know we've got this product called the Sales Android, which is a tool we've developed in conjunction with HighLevel, which helps business owners, i.e. a roofer, a solar company, a mortgage company, whatever. It helps them with their contact rates, their out of hours lead contact, whether or not they can follow up, all of that type of stuff. And what it does is you can install a Sales Android inside their database and it will start closing them and booking appointments without the need for appointment setters or a sales team, right? So it's really cool. We've been testing it for quite a while, or for around these 8 weeks that we've been promoting it. But you know, I've got an audience of people, right, through my pay-per-lead community, and I wanted to see whether or not we could promote the Sales Android and then get people to buy the Sales Android while they're experiencing it, okay? And this, it kind of only dawned on me a couple of days ago as I was writing a webinar slide deck, is this the first time in history that we've actually got something that literally sells itself? It took me a while to understand the power of what's kind of happening. What we did is I did a webinar about 6 weeks ago with Sean Clark, the owner of HighLevel, and I started talking about what we were doing, and I asked for a few guinea pigs, people that would be able to test the Sales Android and have a go and see what it did. I think there was about 180 people that turned up, and 100 people bought the Sales Android off the back of it. And I went, oh, okay, we might be onto something here. This is really working well. So then what I decided to do was run some Facebook lead ads and point people that opt in via name, email, and phone to the Sales Android, if that makes sense. So I asked for their phone number when they opted in, and then as soon as that happened, that instigated the Sales Android, which actually kind of took them through the process of what it actually looks like when they're engaging with the Sales Android. So my kind of hook was experience the Sales Android, see how it works, and if you want to know more information, then you can learn more. All right. And what I did at the back of that, after they'd been through and used the Sales Android and got back to it and tried to break it, AI started closing people into my offer, which was a $297 offer to have the Sales Android themselves. And if you're interested in what that looks like right now, there'll be a link below where you can kind of give your name, email, and phone and experience this Sales Android for yourself and see what this looks like, as it's kind of taking you through the process, asking you about different criteria that you have, whether you're an agency owner, whether you're a lead gen, et cetera, right? So it was working great. And then I took it to Facebook and I started driving cold traffic to this offer. Okay. And we started with, I think it was $300 a day. And immediately we started making sales. And by the way, that quickly went from $300, and at the moment we're spending $1,500 a day or something like that. The only thing that's stopping us scale more is sometimes the AI is breaking a little bit. It's not perfect at the moment because of all of these updates and how fast things are moving. But as I kind of looked into things a little bit further, one of our best ads was, are your sales team and appointment setters having a bad day? Are they hungover or are they sleeping? That ad was producing results to agency owners. But what I started seeing, because we were spending quite a lot on Facebook, is that the solar companies, the roofers, the mortgage companies, and the finance guys and the realtors were all coming in and experiencing the Sales Android. But my offer was for agency owners to resell the Sales Android. And I realized then that, you know, we're really onto something here. The hook that I was using that was working is better suited to the business owners who struggle to close leads, struggle to work the lead, struggle to follow up, speed to lead, all of that type of stuff. So what I realized is that the ad that we were showing on Facebook was starting to attract more business owners than agency owners. And the thing is that my offer was $297 one off, but we know the whole reason why HighLevel was created, which is a white label CRM solution, is to be able to have us white label as CRM and take it to all of our clients, all of our solar clients, all of our roofing clients, all of our swimming pool clients, home security clients or whatever that is, so you can give them a custom CRM solution. If you think about it, if you can package up the sales Android and how it can help close leads for them and solve all of their appointment setting issues and out of hours issues, then you can use this as a tool to be able to white label a CRM solution, which you can charge anywhere from $197 a month to thousands of dollars per month, recurring, okay? So what we've stumbled across here is a really great way to sell clients a custom CRM solution, which is HighLevel, which is the whole reason it was set up. I hope you're following here. It's just happened so quickly and we've realized the power of what we've kind of built here, okay? And then my mind started turning a little bit more, right? What is the next thing that people will want help with once they experience how well this sales Android works? Well, they're going to hand over their database, right? And if you're able to close sales to their existing database, then you can start negotiating a commission split on the back end for using the tool. And then if they see the power of that, what are they going to want after that? The answer is leads, okay? So we've actually got the equivalent of a lead magnet here, which is the sales Android, which can get you in front of the clients, if that makes sense. And then you can get access to their database and earn money from that, as well as the recurring fee of signing up to a custom CRM. And then after that, they're going to want leads. It's just like a never-ending opportunity, okay? As I said, there's a link below where you can experience a sales Android for yourself and see the power of it. If you are an agency owner, if you are a business owner and you're watching this video and you're a solar company or whatever, then give it a go anyway. There's probably going to be someone that you can talk to inside my community that might want to help you set all of that type of stuff up. But yeah, I'm really excited about where this is heading. And I think these are exciting times in the agency world. So I'm going to leave it there. If you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to find more videos like this or be the first to know, then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, if you have any questions at all, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Take care.